Running an auto repair shop in 2025 requires more than just technical skills. It also demands efficient business management to keep operations smooth, customers happy, and profits steady. With the growing demand for speed, quality service, and streamlined operations, auto repair shops need software solutions that handle scheduling, inventory, invoicing, and customer relations seamlessly. This is where AutoLeap comes in. AutoLeap is a comprehensive shop management software tailored specifically for the auto repair industry, designed to streamline every aspect of shop operations, from managing customer appointments to handling repair estimates and payments. AutoLeap offers an easy to use, all in one solution to boost productivity and service quality. In this video, we'll guide you through AutoLeap's key features and benefits, why it's a great choice, and AutoLeap and the tools that you need to grow your business and improve customer satisfaction. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the appointment scheduling and job management. AutoLeap offers an intuitive scheduling system that allows you to book, reschedule, and manage customer appointments with ease. This feature also enables you to assign specific tasks to technicians and track progress in real time. This reduces appointment scheduling errors, prevents double booking, and ensures that technicians are always working on the right tasks, leading to improved shop efficiency. Another key feature is the repair order management. AutoLeap simplifies repair order creation by allowing you to generate, track, and update repair orders directly from the system. You can easily add labor, parts, and materials to each order, as well as provide clear, detailed invoices. This increases accuracy in repair orders and billing, which improves customer trust and helps eliminate errors or confusion in the service process. Another key feature is the inventory management and ordering. The software includes built-in inventory management tools that help you track parts and supplies, set up automatic reorder points, and monitor stock levels. You can quickly see what's in stock and what needs to be ordered to avoid delays. This streamlines inventory control, reduces overstocking or stockouts, and ensures that you have the right parts at the right time for repairs, reducing downtime. Another key feature is the digital vehicle inspections. AutoLeap allows technicians to perform digital inspections of vehicles, capturing photos and notes directly on a tablet or mobile device. These digital inspections can be added to customer repair orders and shared with customers in real time. This increases transparency with customers, improves communication, and enhances trust, as customers can view the exact condition of their vehicle before and after the repairs. Another key feature is the integrated payments and invoicing. AutoLeap's payment processing feature allows for easy invoicing and payment collection, whether you're accepting credit cards, debit cards, or other forms of payment. Customers can pay digitally, and you can quickly generate receipts and invoices. This speeds up payment collection, reduces administrative work, and improves cash flow by offering customers a variety of payment methods and simplifying invoicing. So why is AutoLeap a great choice? AutoLeap is an excellent choice for auto repair shops looking to modernize their operations and improve efficiency. The software is cloud based, meaning it can be accessed from anywhere at any time, making it ideal for shop owners and managers who are always on the go. AutoLeap's ease of use and mobile accessibility also mean minimal training is required, which is essential in a busy work environment. The platform is designed with the unique needs of auto repair shops in mind, offering specialized features like digital inspections, repair order tracking, and parts inventory management all in one place. With AutoLeap, you don't have to worry about juggling multiple software systems or dealing with inefficiencies that can arise from using outdated methods. The comprehensive nature of the platform helps you centralize all aspects of your shop's operations, leading to smoother workflows and better customer experiences. Additionally, AutoLeap integrates seamlessly with accounting tools, payment processors, and even part suppliers, ensuring that your business operations are as automated as possible. This not only reduces manual work, but also ensures that you have real time access to important data, helping you stay ahead of the competition and make proactive decisions. So basically, in the competitive world of auto repair, efficiency is key to running a successful business. AutoLeap offers a powerful, all in one solution that helps you manage appointments, streamline workflows, handle payments, and keep your customers satisfied. With its easy to use interface, comprehensive features, and cloud based accessibility, AutoLeap is the perfect tool for auto repair shop owners who want to optimize their operations and focus on what matters most: delivering excellent service. So, whether you're a small garage or a larger service center, AutoLeap's powerful features like repair order management, inventory tracking, and CRM will help you provide faster, more reliable service, increase profitability, and keeps customers coming back. So start leveraging AutoLeap today to streamline your operations and enhance the customer experience. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.